Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to be discussing my experiences and giving you my thoughts on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus after using it for the last 3 weeks. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you my thoughts and how I feel about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and I just want to give you what I like and dislike about the phone and just have a discussion. Either if you agree with me or disagree, let's get a discussion going in the comments below. First thing I want to bring out, this phone is beautiful. Bam, look at that. Oh yeah, Bixby Home. The screen is great. It's just a great looking phone. Look at that. I mean, you can't argue with me and say the phone is not a beautiful looking phone. But there's some things I don't like about it, which I'm about to go over right now. Alright, so I'm going to jump into it. The first thing I want to mention, the speakers on here sound great when you listen to YouTube or just music and not the headphone jack. The speakers sound great. But when you try to use it as a speakerphone, making a call, I have problems with it. My kids can't hear me on the mics, and then the speaker is really low for calls. I don't know what it is. It's not the same when you're playing the music, and that's the problem. No, I don't have Bluetooth in my car. Not fancy enough with that yet in the minivan. Maybe I can buy me a new one that will have the Bluetooth headsets, but I don't. So I use speakerphone a lot. Because, you know, you're not supposed to have it in your hands in Texas. But it is what it is. The other problem I have is where the power button is on the left-hand side. Why? Put it there, Samsung. You have nothing there. I don't know why it's on this left side. I am getting used to it, but it's just clustered right there. Put it on that side. I don't know why they did it. But what y'all think? Y'all think it's good on that side, or do y'all think it should be on the other side? I just don't like where the power button is. The next thing I want to talk about, what I don't like. Now, I have my themed out. Let me change the theme really quick. This is what I'm talking about here. I hate the OS on here. The icons look dumb. I made them smaller, but look, the icons are just horrible. Everybody wants to talk about LG sucks. The icons look horrible. I don't know. Is that not horrible or what? Horrible. Look at them. Now, yes, you can theme it out just like I had it themed before. And you can definitely make it look better. But to me, look, right there. The icons just look horrible. Again, these are my thoughts, my opinions. If you feel different, let me know in the comments. The next thing I want to bring up is also the fingerprint scanner. Now, it is better than the Galaxy S10 Plus, but it still is a little bit slower than, say, Face ID or even the fingerprint scanner on the back. It does work a lot better than the S10, but it still is a little bit slower. Again, I know they can improve on it. I just wanted to give you my opinions, my thoughts. Y'all let me know, do y'all agree or disagree? The next thing I want to talk about, which everyone does talk about, is the headphone jack. And that's either a hit or miss with me. When I'm at home, I can always plug in the AKG headphones. No problem there. Where I run into a problem with the headphone jack is when I go ahead and try to use the phone in my car and try to use the aux cable, and I don't have a dongle. That is where I have a problem with the headphone jack. A lot of people say, oh, it should be a complete phone. The Note is the top of the line. Well, it is missing the headphone jack, but I don't know. Either way, sometimes I don't mind it, and then sometimes when I want to listen to music in my car, I almost want to throw the phone out the door. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it also. Those are the few things I dislike about it. I might have more dislikes later on, but those are the things I don't really like about the phone. Let's move on to the things I do like. First thing is that beautiful 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display. I think they call it dynamic or something. But, I mean, this is a beautiful looking display. Even when you're watching YouTube, it is a great looking display. Bam. And you have the curved edges on there. Don't mind the ugly screen protector. It is a beautiful, and it's not that heavy. It's like right, perfect size. The S Pen. The speakers on here sound great when you're watching YouTube and watching videos on here. Have no problems with the speakers with that. Okay, so the next thing I want to bring up is the battery life. I've been getting between 7 to 7.5 hours of screen on time, and also between 20 to 22 hours off the charge, which for me, that is great. Other phones, I don't get nowhere near that time, so the battery life has been really, really good for me. Y'all let me know if you have the phone, what type of battery life are you getting on the phone? I would love to know in the comments if you have it. Also, there's no more lag with Samsung. I know Samsung used to be called Lamsung and Lamesung and everything else on the books, but this phone is smooth. I have no problems with it. I think, man, it's great. It really, really runs really, really good. I don't have a problem with it. I don't know if y'all have a problem with it. It has 12 gigs of RAM in it, so it should run really smooth. Storage is good, 256 gigs of storage. Hey, that's always a good thing too. The next thing I want to talk about are the cameras on the back and the front. These cameras work really good. You can actually use this to make YouTube videos, which I'm about to do with my Moto Zoom 1 phone. I'm going to definitely try to use this as my camera. Maybe retire my LG G8. Now, that's the one thing about the cameras too. The Pro mode is missing. Yeah, that is a bummer, but hopefully Samsung gets the hint and maybe put that back into the software. I don't know. The one thing I want to talk about next is also the S Pen. The S Pen is definitely better than last year. It is sturdier, it is built better. It does have these little hand gestures and wave motions in here. Is that a gimmick? Yes, it definitely is. I don't really use it. I've been using the S Pen a little bit more, but I definitely don't use the little gestures on here. But look, I just love the color too. And it's just built a little bit better. It feels better to write with this S Pen than the Note 9. So the S Pen is definitely a go. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. I know I've been going on for a while now. A lot of people always want to bring up, is this the phone of the year? I've seen titles on YouTube saying that this is the phone of the year. Really love the phone. I think it's a great phone. It is up there for phone of the year. If I had to choose between this phone and my OnePlus 7 Pro, my overall experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro would make me choose it over the Note 10. Also, if you are coming from the Galaxy S10 Plus and you're thinking about getting the Note 10 Plus, if you don't use the S Pen, then there's no point of getting the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Get the Galaxy S10 Plus or stay with it. It's a great phone. If you don't use the S Pen, there's no reason to get the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Also, price. Everybody wants to complain about price on this phone. It's $1,100 for the base model, which is the same price as another phone that was just talked about with 256 gigs compared to 64. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the price. Is the price too high? If you think you can afford the phone, if you can afford it, you want it, you think it's worth that $1,000, then get the phone. I can't tell you how to spend your money really. But overall, I'm enjoying the phone. I really like using it. I use it pretty much every day of my life. I love testing out the cameras. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up. I do have more cases. I also want to do a gaming review with the phone. Y'all let me know if y'all want any other videos from me too. I can put it against other phones that I have, like the G8, which I haven't done yet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forz Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.